But I want to suggest this to the government. Honorable William Samoei Ruto, when we criticize funding model for universities, I was one of the biggest critics of that. Ulituambia hatuna akili, hatuna agenda, we are planless, we don't know what you are doing. I saw you the other day swallow your words and admit to the nation that the education model for universities has failed. Now you have sent us another bill in parliament which does not make sense. How do you put education for university free before you make secondary school free? Cha kuchezea Wakenya akili, na nitakwambia leo, there is no way today Kenya, after spending billions of shillings, you are telling us the university model is not working.